Morning. So, season's over. We are now preparing for next season. As a result of the alternator blowing up in Monday, I killed not one, but 2 batteries. So I am going to put batteries on the charger. I've been charging this one for like 3 days and it's still not charged, so I'm going to turn it up to high and see what happens. But if it doesn't charge to full, I may have to get a new battery. We'll see. Now it says it's charged. Now it's true. Okay. I'm going to grab the other battery. It says that it's on, and it says that one is dead as a doorknob. So we're going to leave that like that for a while. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to seal the deck of the trailer because, you know, it rains a lot here. So I'd rather do it than not. Even though it's Doug fir, I'd rather seal it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sand these scrapes down where we scraped the car on the wood. So then at least we got a smooth surface. I think, is that the only spots? The next thing I'm going to do is just broom it off, and then we're going to put this just clear wood sealer on here.
Who taught you how to sweep? You have like no rhyme or reason to it. You just sweep willy-nilly and that's how you miss stuff.
I'm sweeping this way.
Yeah, but you have to like go in a grid.
I don't have to do nothing.
Alright. You do if you want to do a decent job.
Everyone's criticizing my sweeping method, but I don't see them volunteering to sweep.
Also, how are you supposed to learn if you don't do it?
I'm a visual learner.
Alright. So visualize where all this shit is and sweep it up. You're throwing leaves at me now?
Not throwing leaves at you.
I'm gonna edit all this sound out of this.
Mix it early and often. All right, done. So, this needs 24 hours to dry, and then we're probably going to clean the metal up a little bit and spray paint the stuff that's scuffed off already. Then we need some bolts for the license plate, and then this thing's ready to live through the winter and next year. Well, that's it for today. Seal the trailer, charge the battery. I'd like to thank Chloe for buying me this nice jumpsuit because now my butt doesn't hang out all the time, which is, you know, nicer for both of us and for all of you watching, I'm sure. And I guess we'll have another video soon because we are going to buy an alternator soon, and maybe we'll do the spray paint as well on the trailer, but that won't be until at least next weekend, depending on the weather. So that's it for us, and I hope you have a nice day.